Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, Helene purchased a $50 savings bond issued by City A, which earns interest that is compounded annually. She uses the expression 50 times 1.03 to the t to find the value of the savings bond after 2 years. Helene's sister Carolyn purchased a $50 savings bond issued by City B. Her bond has an interest rate compounded annually that is 1% greater than the interest rate earned by Helene's bond. After 12 years, her value will be how much greater than the value of Helene's bond. So what would this look like? So for Helene, we have the equation 50 times 1.03 to the t. What would Carolyn's look like? Well, we found in the last problem that 1.03 corresponds with a 3% interest rate. So therefore, the logic follows that a 1% greater would be 4% interest and be 1.04 instead of 1.03. And we're looking for the number after 12 years. The number of years is represented by t. So we're looking at 50 times 1.03 to the 12th and 50 times 1.04 to the 12th. This is going to be $71.29. This is going to be 80.05 cents, right? Just plugging this into your calculator. And how much greater will Carolyn's be? Well, it's the difference between them, 80.05 minus 71.29, which is $8.76. So after 12 years, with 1% greater interest, Carolyn's bond will be $8.76 more than Helene's bond. 8.76 will therefore be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.